Right, it's day 2 at Supercar Fest, so me and Lewis have come down here today. We've just turned up and the tent has deflated itself overnight, so it's not looking great. Luckily we've got the generator in the van. We're going to get it pumped back up and show you guys what's happening here at day 2 of Supercar Fest. So that's us done here at Supercar Fest. Just time to pack up. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We're at about 25 car shows this year and we're going to take you guys all behind the scenes. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.